Hi everybody, welcome to the Lash one more time. So today I have made a video how to remove lashes with the gel remover. So if you have never removed lashes before, stay here so you don't do what I did when I start lashing. When I took my trainings, nobody teach me how to remove lashes. So what I did pretty much, I went to the store, buy the gel remover, then I have my client that she needs her lashes removed. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take the bottle and apply the gel straight from the bottle to her eyelid. And let me tell you something, this burns. It burns worse than soap. So I don't want this happen to you if you are new lashing. And yeah, my client, she screamed. It was really embarrassed for me, but I learned my lesson. So let's go into the video, watch the whole thing so you don't miss any step. Let's go.